electrovalent bonds formed by transfer of electron, right? Electrovalent bonds formed by transfer of electron. Right, like you have sodium.
चीनू जब मम्मी तुम्हारी कोई अच्छी चीज
सोडियम।
लाई है, अच्छी चीज लाई है चीनू। ये मस्त नीचे क्या लाई, अच्छी चीज लाई हो।
सोडियम,
अबे यार तो हाँ, चीनू मामा के कमरे में पढ़ा रहे हैं।
क्यों?
मामा
आज कुछ नहीं क्यों क्या? चॉकलेट चॉकलेट चॉकलेट।
2 electrons, right? And second shell, first shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons. Where there is outermost shell, valence shell. It has 1 electron. Right? It loses this electron. Lose 1 electron. So it becomes Na plus, and its electronic configuration is 2,8. Right? Electronic configuration is 2,8. It gets plus 1 unit positive charge. And now we have chlorine. Chlorine has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. So inner shell there is 2 electrons. In bounded shell these are 2, and there are 8 electrons. And in outermost shell that we call valence shell, there are 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. It has 7 electrons. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. So ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन comes out that it takes, right? And now its electronic configuration becomes, it takes this 1 electron and it becomes Cl 1 minus, right? So its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 8. It gets 1 unit positive charge, it gets 1 unit negative charge. When they combine together, then they form Na plus, Na plus, Na plus, Cl minus. This is electrovalent compound. Electrovalent compound. And this is called electrovalency. Phenomena is electrovalency, right? This is done by transfer of electron. ठीक है? What next you have?
Magnesium chloride. Covalent bond.
Then we have covalent bond. Covalent bond formed by sharing of electron. Sharing of electron. Right? What is that? Sharing of electron. So in that, hydrogen is having 1 electron in its valence shell, and another hydrogen atom which is having 1 electron in its outermost shell. They are combined and they form, this takes 1 electron, this hydrogen atom takes 1 electron from this and complete its duplicate, and this hydrogen atom takes this electron from this hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, and complete its octet. And this is, they form chemical bond, right? This is a chemical bond. It is called chemical bond. Chemical bond, right? In a chemical bond, it is formed by 2 electrons which comes from two different atoms. Two different atoms, right? comes from it is formed by two electrons which comes from two different atoms, a chemical bond, right? If we talk about oxygen, so it is having one single bond. There is one single bond, single bond, and we have we have oxygen. Oxygen has six electrons in its outermost shell. 6 electrons. Oxygen has 6 electrons in its valence orbit, right? So this is oxygen, and it is having 6 electron in its valence orbit. So there are this, and this. So one oxygen atom takes 2 electrons from this oxygen atom and complete its octet, and another oxygen atom takes 2 electrons from another oxygen atom and complete its octet, right? Here is two chemical bonds. There are two chemical double bonds, but each chemical bond is made up of 2 electrons which comes from two different atoms. But there is double bond, and these are known as lone pairs. Lone pair of electron. These are known as lone pair of electrons. These are known as lone pair of electron. Lone pair does not take part in bond formation. Right? This is lone pair. This is, we have double bond. Here is double bond. Double bond. Right? You get this? Now, this is covalent bond formed by sharing of electrons, right? Both atoms have same lone pairs, right? So they are non-polar covalent bonds. What is written in your book?
Covalent bond. Would Sarah share it?
No. This is, we have,
There are written some highlighted words. Each atom contributes equal number of electrons.
yeah,
Non-metal combines with another non-metal to attain stable configuration.
yeah,
Sharing of electron takes place between their atoms and a covalent bond is formed.
yes, these covalent bonds are formed by sharing of electrons. I hope you understand. Okay then, it is sufficient.